Hey, what's up, guys? Thank you for tuning in. You are watching Passive Earnings, and in this video, we'll be talking about Nvidia stock. So, if you guys can see today, Nvidia is down close to 1%, while the overall broader Nasdaq market is up close to 1.1%. So, that's the overall view. But Nvidia did gain a few steps ahead this week because last week was brutal. The stock price went down. This week it is up close to 2% with the 1% drop for today. That's what currently Nvidia looks like. But how am I playing Nvidia stock and how am I making money with Nvidia stock is what I wanted to discuss in this video. So as you all know that Nvidia at one point this year, a couple weeks back, crossed Microsoft uh, and became the biggest company in the stock market with over $3.1 trillion in asset market cap. But uh, looking at that, I started selling cash secured puts on Nvidia. So here you see, I sold this week. I sold four contracts for $10 each, with the strike price of $114.50. And I collected $40. So basically, I made $40 investing close to or putting down close to $45,000. So 11 and $114 times 4 is close to $45,000. So I that's not a big of a return, as you see. But usually what I do is I have created a couple other trackers, or you can call them the screeners, that I use to generate or make money or earn money by selling cash secured puts. But this week there was not any big earning week, so there wasn't any good opportunities out there. So what I did is I sold Nvidia a cash secured put when the market was down that day, and I was able to collect $40 from that. All of this money that you see here is going towards buying more SPY or S&P 500 ETF. What I do with that is I want to build a good position there. So I'm making money with Nvidia stock by selling cash secured puts. Currently, Nvidia stock, as you guys can see, is hovering around, the current price is hovering around $125 or so. The PE ratio is crazy high, 75. This reminds me of Tesla stock a couple years back when everything was going down. Tesla had a PE ratio of close to 75 at that time, and now it's down quite a bit. Then it went up in last month or so, but point being taken, this is a very high growth stock. So current market cap is 3.13 trillion, but at the same time the PE ratio doesn't suit, or it doesn't give me a big margin to make, to see more returns over time. So what I'm doing is I'm selling cash secured puts close to $10 to $15 below the market current price. So if on Monday I see that there are no other stock opportunities that I can sell cash secured puts on, what I'll do is I'll trade an Nvidia option by selling cash secured put, meaning I will them that they can hold it until next week, and I'm willing to buy Nvidia stock. I think at around um, 14, 114 would be a good price point. That's what I think I'd be looking forward to do. And again, I sell weekly options on stocks, but I do sell some short term, like a day or a couple days option on QQQ or SPY as well. So usually I'm tracking, I'll target to make over $100 a week by selling cash secured puts. So say for example current price is 126. I will sell a put option around here, and then let's see if I were to sell four options here, I'll be making $72. So this is the safest bet I can play and make, regularly 40 to 70 to $100 every week. A week before this past week, I was able to sell a cash secured put on a different stock. I think it was CRM, um, and I was able to generate over $260. So that this is one of the screener that I've created. I have volatility screener, then I have X dividend screener, but my main go-to screener is this upcoming earnings. If you are interested, let me know. I'll share the screener with you. What options, like what are the filters that I have created here, and then you can play the same. So next week I will see. Next week will be ending on June 12th, I guess. So I'll be looking at some other company and see if I'm able to collect some good premium for selling cash secured put. But to be honest, I do not see next week also a good week for selling cash secured puts on the upcoming earnings screener. So I'll stick with Nvidia here, and if I see a big drop in SOXL or TQQQ, both are leverage ETFs. If I see a big drop in any of these, I may go ahead and sell a cash secured put on that. But otherwise, I'll stick with selling cash secured put on Nvidia. May be able to collect close to $100 with a little bit of an aggressive price. Uh, Maybe let's see what are our options here for the next week. So if I were to say that I'm willing to buy this stock at 117, I think would be the best option to make $100 for this week. Uh, yeah, so putting down $46,680, I'll be making $120 or around that. We'll see how the day opens on Monday, but around that. So and then if the price of the Nvidia stock doesn't go down to 117, then I get to keep this $120 plus I will get my money back. So I'll get back $46,680 here, and then I'll keep doing next week. So that's how I'm generating income using Nvidia stock. And I really wanted to show you guys what are all the opportunities out there. And this special week that is coming up, we might not see good earnings coming up, meaning more companies reporting earnings. So I would not be using that tracker, but I usually use this tracker to sell cash secured puts on big or large or mega cap companies, and then collect premium. Also, I have $110 recurring SPY investment that is recurring every single day that stock market is open. Currently, I am up to 5.28 shares, which is 2.74% diversity of my portfolio. I'm up close to 3%. The total return, but I'm not looking at this return as of now because this is a long-term play. Hopefully we'll get somewhere with this position as well. So I want to keep my QQQ plus QQQM at one third of my portfolio, then the one third would be SCHD, and then the last one third would be split between SPY as well as cash, which I'll be using to generate weekly income selling cash secured puts. So that's about it. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys will like this video. And Nvidia stock that is in everywhere everywhere discussions. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself and people around you. Goodbye.